Breathe. Let it grow. I felt the earth before your name, before your cities, before your flame. The roots were deep, the rivers wide. No need to run, no need to hide. You built your walls, you changed the land. You took more than you understand. But still it turns, still it stays, still it holds you anyway. You forget where you began. You are root and sky. You are dust and light. Every breath you take is borrowed life. You don't stand apart. You were never alone. You belong to the earth just as much as your home. Watched you break what you can't see, trade the whole for what you need. But I have seen you change your ways in the smallest, quietest days. A hand that plants instead of takes, a voice that bends, a heart that wakes. Maybe there is something more than what you've been before. You can